Hi there, Paul here from Charity Hub. In this video, I want to show you just how easy it is to use Charity Hub's native Microsoft Word integration to generate standardized documents from your Charity Hub data at the click of a button. In this example, we're going to create a thank you letter, which we're going to send to a supporter who has recently donated to us. But we can use Word templates in Charity Hub to generate just about any type of document you need, from thank you letters to receipts, even welcome packs. To generate our thank you letter, we navigate to the donation, and from Word templates at the top here, we choose the Word template that we want to generate. In this case, it's the thank you letter. Charity Hub then downloads the document into the browser. We can open that Word template, and if I just drag that onto the screen, what you'll see is I have a Word document there with all the information merged in, ready for me to either print out and post or email on to the donor. Easy as that. Now, that's all very well. It's nice and easy to generate the documents, but how do we go about actually creating those templates in the first place? Well, that's very simple too. In Charity Hub, we can either create personal templates, which are created and used by system users themselves, or as a Charity Hub system administrator, I can create templates that are available throughout the system and can be used by all the users. And this is normally the approach that we'd recommend to make your communications as standardized as possible. So to create a new Word template, I navigate to the Charity Hub settings area and I click on New. We select Word template and then we choose the entity that we want to start from, in this case, donation. If I want to pull in information from a related record, I can do so. I just need to specify which related record I would like to pull in. So in this example, we'll use the contact who made the donation. So I can select that row, and now I can click Download Template. Once that template's downloaded, I can open the file in Word, and I can start working with it directly in Microsoft Word. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my template. So, in true Blue Peter style, here's one I created earlier, so we can paste that in. And now that I've got my template in there, I can start to populate some of the fields that I want to appear dynamically when I generate this thank you letter from a donation record. To do that, I pull out the XML mapping pane, and you'll notice now I've got my pre-act donation record here with all of the fields associated with that entity. Now, there are an awful lot of fields associated with that entity. Don't worry, we can guide you through all of these, but there's a lot of information captured in the background about donations and the associated contact. So the first thing I want to put in here is the full name of the donor. So if I scroll down my mappings and I find the full name of this person, there it is, I can insert that as rich text and it drops in the placeholder for me there. Similarly, I want to drop in the donation amount, so we'll scroll back up, we'll find the amount, and again, I'll just drop that in the appropriate place there. Brilliant. Now that I've got that there, I can save this document back. And now what I do is I go back into Charity Hub, and this time I want to upload a template. I find the Word file that I've just modified, and I can drag that into the browser and click on Upload. Once that file's been uploaded back into Charity Hub, we can change the name of the template so it's a bit more meaningful, and we can save that back into the system. Now, from a user's point of view, if I go back to my donation record and I click on Word templates again, you'll see now we've got another thank you letter in there, which is now a global thank you letter template. I can click that just like I did before. The thank you letter will be downloaded, and I can open that directly, and that is there in Word for all of our users right across the system to use. Well, I hope that's been useful and gives you a bit of an insight into how we can use Word templates to generate documents from any of our Charity Hub data into Word directly and send them out to our supporters.